Hey guys, good morning. It's Irene here, the Black Hiking Queen, and today is another beautiful day here in Vermont, in Manchester, Vermont. And right now I am about to check out the Vermont Art Center. About to go into this museum and check it out. I got a couple of cool adventures today and I am excited to take y'all with me. So this is talking about Alberto Rey, who is a Cuban artist. Most of his paintings reflect some of his Cuban heritage. He really loves the rivers and the natural landscape. So let's check out his paintings. There is this really large map up here and you can see the locations where Alberto actually did his paintings in real life. Hey guys, it's another beautiful day here in Manchester, Vermont. I'm going up this hill right now. I'm already running out of breath. I'm hiking to a lookout spot here at the Equinox Preservation Preserve. Out of breath. Oh man, it's so beautiful out here. Look at all this green. I need a little break to catch my breath. But, yeah, beautiful summer day. I need to catch my breath. Yeah, that is hiking. Okay, so this is supposed to be a short hike, but we shall see. Yesterday I hiked a total of probably 10 miles, so today I kind of want to take it easy and do something that's not as crazy. I can feel my legs are a little sore, so yeah. Bugs are out here, as you can see. Keep flying in my face, but we're gonna push through and get this hike done. So beautiful here. Oh, I love it. Guys, I'm almost there to the lookout. Oh, this is a huge workout for sure. Working up a sweat right now, but I'm almost there. I made it to the lookout, you guys, and it's not very clear, unfortunately. It's a little hard to see, but yesterday I was actually down there by the pond. That's it for this hike, you guys. I'm gonna go and have a lunch. So I am about to have a lunch here at Amy's on the Road, and Amy's on the Road is a breakfast and lunch spot, and it's out of an Airstream, so you can see right there. Heard it's really good, so I'm excited. I got the buttermilk chicken sandwich, so let's see how it tastes. So this is what I got. It's a chicken sandwich and some fries. Sandwich looks really good, so I'm excited to try it. This chicken sandwich is so good. driving up Mount Equinox. I'm doing the Skyline Drive, and it's a little scary. I'm going pretty high up, and yeah, it's interesting. So basically, the drive ascends 3,248 feet over 5.2 miles. That's what I'm currently doing. Hoping to get up there soon. It's a little bit of a cloudy day, so I'm not sure what all I can see. Apparently, you're supposed to be able to get a good view of 4 states in Canada on a clear day, but it's not a clear day, so we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna keep driving up and see if I can make it to the top. Up here, and it is very cold up here, very cold, and it's raining, so that is kind of annoying, but I'm gonna step out and see what I can see, I guess, despite the rain. It's very cloudy too, so I really can't see anything. Such a bad day to do this, but it's okay. It is what it is. Can't really see much because of the weather, but apparently this is supposed to be the south view, and we're supposed to be able to get a good view of a couple of mountains here, but unfortunately the weather is not in our favor. So this is supposed to be the view north, but again, very cloudy. You can kind of see the mountains, the shape of them. New Hampshire. It's supposed to be somewhere over there, and New York is supposed to be somewhere over there. So back there is the monastery, somewhere down there. It's a little hard to see, but there's the monastery, and that's where the monks live, and yeah. Guys, the drive down is so scary. Oh my gosh. I had to like take a break because oh my god, the drive down is scary, like, and I don't want to mess up the brakes on the car, so I'm like, thank god they have this little pull out so you can give your car a little break. But yeah, I'm trying to get off this mountain now.